Nature is not dead. It is alive and full of meaning. We love it. It calms us, delights us, and inspires us. But today, we are no longer sure whether these feelings are still fashionable. We protect nature not only because it benefits us, but because we love it, because it fills our souls, because we are part of it, and it is part of us. One tree does not make a forest. Only several trees together create a forest ecosystem that mitigates heat, retains water, and keeps the air moist. Weaker trees also grow in it. These are easy prey for insects and fungi. They grow on poor soil, are damaged, or have weak genes. It seems as if the rule is only the strongest survive. But nature does not work that way. Trees would shake their canopies at this thought. Their strength depends on the community. If weak trees disappear, the forest becomes more exposed to the sun and wind. Even strong trees can get sick and then need the support of their neighbours. If they don't have any, even a minor pest attack can destroy them. So in nature, it's not necessarily the survival of the fittest, but survival of those who know how to work together. Raised bogs are our natural ally against climate change and global warming. They act as natural carbon sinks because the plants that grow there do not decompose but form peat. Raised bogs absorb carbon dioxide from the air and store it in the soil. 1 hectare of restored marshland prevents the release of 19 tons of carbon per year. Marshes also purify water, prevent floods and fires, and are home to rare plants and animals adapted to wet environments. The health of nature can be seen in its beauty. Diverse meadows, rich forests, and coastal landscapes enchant us, while monotonous landscapes bore us. We are aesthetically attracted to ecosystems that are the most diverse, and diversity is the key to an ecologically stable environment. Forest ants, which live mainly in spruce and pine forests, are important allies of foresters. They feed on pests such as bark beetles, thus helping to keep forests healthy. Although they are not rare, they are protected because they play a key role in maintaining the balance of nature. So far, 10,000 species of ants have been discovered. Their combined weight is said to be equivalent to the weight of all humans on the planet. The biosphere of our blue planet is a large symbiotic system. Symbiosis permeates everything, from the smallest cells to entire ecosystems. Today, there are no longer large schools of fish in the oceans, and the silence that ensues represents not only a loss of life, but also a void within ourselves. The world was not created for everyone to fight against everyone else, but for coexistence and connection. Throughout evolution, we have lived alongside other species, grown with them and needed them. Only their presence opens up space for creativity, inspiration, and hope. Nature is not our idea, we are hers. Without nature, we lose our humanity. If we destroy it, we will not only be physically impoverished, but above all, mentally. Natural diversity nourishes our creativity, our sense of beauty, and our inner world. If we lose touch with diversity, we also lose touch with ourselves. Nature teaches us emotions, beauty, and meaning. Only by protecting it will we preserve our humanity and inner freedom.